digital phase conversion technology has just the advantages I was looking for at a very, very attractive price point. It started with a quote from our local PUD to get 3-phase power, which is just kitty corner on this street intersection outside to the outside of our building. I was shocked. It was going to be in the $30,000 to $50,000 range. This is the PTE 010 from Phase Technologies. Phase Technologies is the only company that provides all digital phase conversion technology that supports multiple concurrent loads. So you can have one converter panel, have it run multiple machines. When I found out about this technology, I thought that's exactly what I'm looking for. It has less than 2% power imbalance. So in other words, the 3 legs of power coming out are going to be outputting the same amount of power, and that means equal load on the windings in the motor, which means increased longevity. And we're talking 98% in that ballpark efficient, right? So this type of technology has a lot of pros and upsides that static phase converters, rotary phase converters, and VFDs don't have. Really excited about this technology. Where can you go to find out more? You can go to phasetechnologies.com. They've got content, the product pages, specifications. There's also a phone number that you can call, which we'll put up right down here. They've got customer support and sales staff that are going to be able to guide you through the process of evaluating if this technology is right for you, lining up your deal, and so on and so forth. Thank you very much for watching. That concludes this video, and that means it's time to wrap it up.